Hey y'all, Airgun Angie with Gateway to Airguns. This is a range time video. No seriousness going on here today. I'm out here, we're gonna play a game of darts. I've got the BARRA 1100Z in 177 and 22 calibers. And I'm gonna test them out at different distances, starting at 25, then 35, and then taking it back to 50. And we'll see if there's a difference in accuracy between the both of them. Let's get started.
Big glass caps or paper targets, hunting game with devastating hits. Which air rifle am I reaching for? From 177 to a 50 big bore.
Really quick, I want to say thank you to Gateway to Airguns for making this video possible. Go check them out, guys. www.gatewaytoairguns.org. www.gatewaytoairguns.org. Okay, so I found these targets on Facebook. There is a guy that has a Facebook page that offers free printable targets to anybody. So it's free airgun targets. You can go on there and just download them and print them. So let's go with 5 shots because I like 5 shots. You guys know that. Here we go. On the dartboard, see if I can get a bowl. I'm not sure. I think it was a little high and right. Well, looks like somebody didn't sight it in very good. All right, I'm not gonna go look at it yet. I'm just gonna switch over to the 22. And then for this one, we have the nsport Barracuda 15s. And yeah, I guess the Barras like the Sports. These are the favorite pellets from my grip review. Left. Alright, that's it for that. Let's see who won round 1. So round 1, extremely close. I might have you guys vote on this. Alright, here we are at 35 yards. Okay. Alright, well that looks decent. Still shot a little low because I didn't have it zeroed right, I reckon. It was zeroed on the quadrant target, but I guess maybe I should have zeroed it on paper. Oh well, we are going to continue just as we are on to the 22 cal. Let's see how this baby shoots at 35 yards compared to the 177. And I do have moderators on both of these. This one, the 177, has the 0 dB, and the 22 has the Ramus. I should have left it. That was like that tad high. All right, I believe that was 5. Let me go get the targets, see what we've got going on, and then we'll move back to 50. Here's the results, guys. 177, 22. Definitely the 22. All right, to the paper. Ignore the very, very first shot. and 5. Okay, I think they're not, I think they're right there together. It's hard to tell from here, but that's what it looks like to me. All right, over to the 22. But, all right, we got 2 at the bottom. I'm gonna shoot 2 more because I believe those are 2 flyers, and see if we get them right there with the others. If we do, awesome. Oh my gosh. Yeah, right there in the center. Oh, that's so frustrating. It's so frustrating when you have beautiful, beautiful tight group and then you got stubborn, rebellious pellets. I'm gonna shoot 1 more, guys. 1 more. Hopefully it lands right there in the center with the other ones. Oh my gosh. Just stop. Just stop, right? Makes me want to shoot another group. So I did clean the barrel of both of these before I did this, before this test, before this, I'm going to shoot another group. Oh, that's on. That was it. So in that group we had 1 flyer. The rest of them were pretty well right there. Still shooting a little low, a little left, but some of you may not think it's fair that I reshot the 22. Should I reshoot the 177s? Sure, I'll do that. Just for you. Because we'll make it fair. Let's aim for the red on the bottom. The bottom. Okay, here we go. Wouldn't that be crazy if the 1771 from a Grace round? Let's go get the target and see what happened. So the results from 50 yards, this is the 177. And guys, that first group, remember I said never mind that first shot? I said never mind to that shot right there. That first group is actually really good. The second one, not so much. But how did we do with the 22 at 50 yards? Well, the 22 at 50 yards, we had all of these flyers down here. I don't know what the deal is with that. I did clean the barrel, so it shouldn't have been an issue. Could just be bad pellets, but I didn't see anything right off the bat that made them look like bad pellets. Otherwise, I wouldn't have shot them. But the second group is actually decent. So the best of the best. I would still, golly, that's tough. I'd say the 177, guys. I'm totally shocked because I was expecting the 22 to just bust it, but 177 group is a little tighter than the 22. So, what y'all think? Y'all tell me what you think in the comments below. Well, guys, that's it for today. This was just a fun range time video. I wanted to see which caliber shot better at the different distances, and I mean, the first two, 22 all the way. The last one, they're really close, but the 177 is a tad bit tighter. I would like to take a moment to say thank you to Gateway to Airguns. Thank y'all so much for making these videos possible. If you guys have not checked them out, you really, really should. If you're an air gunner, you like air guns, you like shooting, go check out www.gatewaytoairguns.org. There is something for every air gunner alive. I promise. That's it. That was fun. I'm Airgun Angie with Gateway to Airguns. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all don't just have a good day, have an awesome one. See ya.